Hi Professor, this is the video demonstration content of our project. The problem statement of our project is to classify jobs into fraudulent and not fraudulent. So the data set was from Kaggle. Our team consists of 3 members, Ram, Anshul and Paloma. So we divided the project into 4 parts. The first part was EDA analysis, which is exploratory data analysis. So during this, we explored the dataset and figured out that the dataset was somewhat imbalanced, and also discussed how to overcome this and explored individual features as well. So coming to the next part, it is categorical classification of models. So we used only categorical dataset. Actually, our dataset consists of 2 parts: categorical dataset and textual dataset. For this part, we're actually concentrating on categorical dataset, and we try to do the feature selection out of it and performed some assessment. And the best results we got from here were from XGBoost. Actually, we tried three models: logistic regression, random forest and XGBoost, out of which XGBoost is the good model which has good performance. And please note that we are using confusion matrix in this project, as the dataset was somewhat imbalanced and also mostly focused on false negatives and false positives. So the results of the model are present in the code. So here are the results of the second part. This is the XGBoost classifier model. This is what we got from the model performance. We have 75 true false positives and 41 false negatives, and the accuracy score is around 98.6%. Coming to the next part, we have text information available in the dataset. So we use this text information and we created some NLP techniques and trained on some classification models on the dataset. So the best results we got were from multi-layer perceptron algorithm with Adam solver, and the results are present in the code. So please note that we have done some hyper tunings to select the best parameters. So here is the hyper tuning which we are trying to get the best features. So these are the best features we got, and the accuracy of this is, so we have 38 false positives and 0 false negatives. So and the accuracy score is around 99.5%. And then we are moving on to the next part, which is ensembling and graphical explanation and the results. So coming to the ensemble model, we have an own ensemble model which have stacked model and NLP classifier. So first comes to the stack model. This for the stacked model, we are giving input as in categorical features, and we are training on random forest classifier, XGBoost and a logistic regression, and we are passing these models into third classifier, which is random forest, and then we are using it as an output of the model. And then we are checking the MLP trained model, and if the MLP trained model is giving 0 as a predicted output, then we are 100% sure that it is 0, because MLP classifier has 0 false negatives. And if it is predicting 1, then we are checking the probability of the MLP classifier, and if MLP classifier is 99.995% sure that it is predicted 1, then we are giving the output as 1, and if it's not, then we are getting the results from the stacked model. Here are the results from the ensemble model. This is the graph of accuracy plot of the ensemble model, and here is the output of our ensemble model. We have 0 false negatives and 11 false positives, and the accuracy score is around 99.87%. So this is our project, and thank you so much.